Welcome back to Balabas Gist. My people, no be small thing o. As e stand right now, they say that the Pan-African group, una know this man now, the man no dey gree o, he no dey gree for bad leaders for inside Africa. Say the man don provoke. He say jailing Simon Ekpa was not genuine. It's only agenda of Nigeria to bring the Biafrans down, according to what he said in this video, which I'm going to show you people. When they get information, say that the Biafra government in Exile say they are not relenting in this whole thing. They are going to make sure that they take Finland to higher authority in the world to make sure they give Simon Ekpa justice. As that one they happen, even Biafra Liberation Armies don't send the message, say that more things will be happening from now because of declining Simon Ekpa being jailed. You don't read though. As that one they happen, when they get information, say one girl will disappear for Lagos. They don't find the girl, and our brother, where they call Uche Nonsonkwa, don't do video regarding the girl. They call out everybody where we get information for his parents, which we will put the video for here. Make una watch. I beg, let us jump into the videos we will get for our hand today. Stay tuned to the end and share the video as well. And if you have not followed us, follow and like so that you go to get.
Let's go to a court in Finland now that has sentenced a controversial leader of a Nigerian secessionist movement to 6 years in prison. What is his offense according to the law?
There is no offense. How the people are simply saying Biafra, Nigeria is no more, and they have a right in Europe to say so. Two, Nigerian system itself has said they don't. You know, the court relied on intelligence from Nigeria. Asanda, which Nigerian intelligence can give you the credibility? It's corrupt, underfunded, compromised by terrorists. They have recruited terrorists in intelligence system. So the information, Finland collapsed in its all democratic format. When it said it relied on Nigeria's intelligence information, anybody can come up and say, Asanda is doing this, that. Do you go and use that intelligence? Finland is one country that is now changing from proper democratic institutions to being corruptly entering Africa by paying huge sums to get contracts. Finland has been given contracts with Nigeria. Nigeria has given them to build dams, gas pipelines, and so many dispensaries. They are corrupt. They wanted to get this guy to appease the Nigerian government. If you look at the evidence, I've read the entire evidence of how the three judges came to a conclusion. I bet if it was in South African court, it would be thrown out on the first day. There is no judgment where you say you use the intelligence, Nigerian intelligence, when Nigeria itself has terrorists, part of the intelligence system in Nigeria. They are terrorists, and they have admitted. And they have admitted they have recruited some. So which intelligence information did they use? I'm telling you, that sentence is going to be quashed by the European Court of Human Rights in Strasbourg. It will be quashed. That guy will walk out free.
So what now then for Simon Ekpa, this Finnish citizen of Nigerian descent? Must he go the human rights route, as you say?
I want to tell you, originally these people wanted to kidnap this man quietly at night. Thanks God, people started going to European Court somewhere, and volunteers stopped it and told Finland that you are in trouble. We know what you are doing. They wanted to take him to without even going through the court. This man is a Finnish citizen. He has been in Finland for over 30 years. Where do you take him? What has he done? He's simply saying Nigeria needs to be rearranged. All of us in Africa know that Nigeria has collapsed. All of us in Africa know there is no administration in Nigeria. All of us know that Nigeria is a country without a country and a state without a state. Governance has collapsed. And these people are simply saying, can we rearrange Nigeria and go away? It's like what I have told you about Congo. Biafrans are over 80 million people out of 250. There are people killing people there. There are terrorists coming down daytime and they take over your house, take over your farm, feed on your food, kill your people. They are there. It is happening. And African Union has not said any word. United Nations Security Council has not said any word. United Nations habitually sentenced Nigeria to a country which has abducted people, killed people, and If you have such reports, how can you sentence a man for 6 years when you know that the state you are dealing with is a rogue state?
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, and here how we take reply to this is it a journalist or whoever that asking me that question, and to tell him that Nigeria government only intention is to clamp Biafra down. They don't want Biafra to move at all. If you want to get Nigeria government to be your friend, tell them that we have an alternative how to wipe out all Biafra so that they will not talk about Biafrans again. And the most thing that pay me much is that the Igbo people in their self do not want to be free. Many of them don't want to be free. They're enjoying the suffering and smiling. In next 2 months now, you see most of them flaunting cars, buildings, showing those things you have. Do you have security? Do you know how many important people have lost in the community since this year because they travel from abroad to see their loved ones and they didn't return back again because of insecurity that is happening in our various states? And most of you don't have brain. Okay, you don't want what Nnamdi Kanu is doing, you don't want what Simon Ekpa is doing, you don't want anybody to say Biafra. What is your own solution in bringing peace in our land? They don't have. They just a demon on their own self. So I tell them one thing: one day you will return home and find a phone animal have taken over your home. That was my biggest prayer now for Ndi Igbo, so that when that one happened, some of them will wake up from their sleep and realize what they are doing to themselves. If you don't like what Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa is doing or the idea of Biafra, then what is your own idea to bring peace in Igbo? Bring it up. Let's see. Because as it stands, Nigeria will never forget the war. And the war is not over. It's still on their mind. And nothing you can do to please them, to be part of that, to share that national cake or to be part of that one Nigeria is impossible. That is the one thing the Igbos have to realize. Anything you like, let me tell you something. You see this development that coming inside East, when we finish building, they will come with war and destroy it. Because they will think, they have built, though, maybe from now they will have ego. No, they will look for one thing or the other to bring it down. And when that starts, they will target all these infrastructures, these beautiful bridges and event centers and fine real estate. The key point, the places that our tribe people in Igbo land is their target. And this will happen. It will happen. Keep building and never ask for your freedom. Totally freedom from Nigeria. If you have freedom in Nigeria, why can't you be the president? Why can't you be the vice, even vice? Why can't you be? Why can't you say something in Nigeria? Nigeria respect that word that come from this particular tribe that have contributed a lot in the system. So my people, we are doomed forever. Let me play this video of this young girl. If you know the family, indicate.
Okay, how are you? Be talking loud.
I'm fine.
But don't worry, what is your name?
David Chima.
David
Chima.
Chima. So where are you people living in Lagos?
At Latif Sonny number 16.
At
Latif Sonny number 16.
Latif Sonny
Number 16.
in Lagos. Do you know the particular place in Lagos?
Is that Ijesha? Is that Ijesha?
Ijesha. What is the name of your father?
Chima.
Chima. What of your mother?
Reta Osinachi. Osinachi and Reta.
Do you have other siblings? Maybe your brothers or your sisters? Do you have other brothers or sisters? What are their names?
My big sister name is Miracle.
Miracle. What of the other person?
My small sister is Favor.
Favor.
And my small brother is Chimzaram.
Chimzaram. They are all in Lagos, right?
My mommy.
With your mommy. Okay, so what happened? What happened? Why are you suddenly in Owerri from Lagos? What happened?
I was carried by motor.
I
was carried by motor.
You are carried by motor. You said somebody sent you on an errand, right? Who is that person?
Our neighbor.
Your neighbor. Look into the camera, my friend. Be looking inside this camera so that they will recognize you. So your neighbor carried you told you to go and buy something for him or her. Do you know the name of that neighbor?
Auntie Nene.
Auntie Nene told you to go and buy something. And what happened? And what happened now? Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. What happened now? When
I was going there, somebody put me in the motor.
Somebody dragged you inside the motor. Somebody dragged you inside the motor. So from there, where did you people go to when the person dragged you inside the motor?
You looking at the camera now?
We went to one place. The person just went out of his car, then went to go and see. He said he wanted to go and see somebody. Later he now came back before he drove off.
So the person that he saw, what is that person wearing?
Red.
Red. Is it only red he's wearing? Is there any other thing you can recognize that place? Is it only red he's wearing?
The one red and only red he was wearing.
Okay, only red he was wearing. And before the person came out, the person drove you off. So and put you inside the bus coming to Owerri. Huh?
Inside smoker.
Inside the smoker. Is it smoker that you used to come to Owerri? And the person dropped you in Owerri? Adam abiku munnem ndị no Lagos amagị mma na agamata nwa o si no Ijesha 16 what again?
Latison number 16.
16 Latison number 16 ama ụmụ onye Yoruba ama asụta nwunye. Okay, Latisoni Latisoni number 16 Ijesha, Lagos. Yeah, Biko.
Near what?
Biko.
What's the name of that gate here?
Do you know any place near that place? That place
Sele, near Sele? Seleba?
Do you know Sele? Is it close to Sele?
It's
Oh,
our
Selena.
church side.
Yeah. What is the name of your church? Let me know.
Glory Land.
Glory Land.
Glory Christian Ministry.
School.
Okay. Are you a student? Are you a pupil? What is the name of your school?
Traditional.
Teddy Shola.
Look here. Look the
man. And because one or we come with 2 days now, we day now.
more than 1 week.
Okay. Come. More than 1 week. Because no, onye ma nwa. Onye me ama okwa na onye ma aha mmea. O sira aha mmea wa aha mage wogede.
Boy, look up.
Osinachi. Ọ dị mma. Biko arịrịọ ka anyị na-arịọ. Tụsa anyị ha ka o ruo ndị Igbo niile nọ Lagos ntị. Tụsa anyị ya ka o ruo ndị Igbo niile nọ Lagos ntị. Ọdụ dị nwa sị na ya wụ onye Abia. You are from Abia, right?
Boy, look up.
Do you know the place in Abia?
Okonako.
Okonako. We are in Abia State.
Okonako na
Ohofia.
Ohofia. Okay, the boy wụ onye Ohofia. Biko arịrịọ ka anyị na-arịọ onye ma nwa biko si tụsa ya ka nne ya nna ya ma ọ bụ ụmụnne ya nwee ike dị akpọrọ ya nwa nọ na Owerri kamgbe 1 week adịrọ ka anyị na-arịọ biko ọ nọ na Chisco Park na Owerri nga ọ nọ na Chisco Park na Owerri biko dịka ị na-eme ka Chineke gọzie gị n'aha Jizọs amen.
Okay, my wonderful people, stay tuned for more updates that is coming. Please, if you know the family of this girl, please don't hesitate to share the video or contact their loved ones to quickly jump in Nonsonkwa page right now to get full details of how to retrieve this girl back so that she will rejoin his family. My people, this is where we end today's program, and we are going to post more videos earlier today. Please stay tuned and keep sharing our video for more updates. Don't forget to see there for Balabas G's as they watch. Make sure they share the videos so that other people will get the information.